You're scrolling through social media. One person says they made 500,000 Nigerian nairas online in 1 week. Another claims they made 1 million Nigerian nairas in 1 month. And then you look at your account balance. Nothing. You start asking yourself, is making money online even real? The answer is yes. But here's the problem. Most people don't fail because they aren't smart. They fail because they're trying to do everything at once. Today, they're trading cryptocurrency. Tomorrow, they're building an online store. Next week, they're learning graphic design. And after 6 months, they're still broke. So, if I had to start from zero and make my first 100,000 Nigerian nairas online in 2026, these are the 5 paths I would seriously consider. And no, you don't need to try all 5. You only need one. Path number 1, content creation. Let's start with the biggest opportunity right now. Content. Everywhere you look, content is being consumed. YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. Businesses need content. Brands need content. Creators need content. And platforms are constantly rewarding people who can create videos that educate, entertain, or solve problems. The biggest myth is that you need expensive equipment. You don't. Many successful creators started with a smartphone. Some started with old laptops. Some didn't even show their faces. The secret isn't having the best equipment. The secret is consistency. Create, post, learn, improve, repeat. One good video can completely change your life. Path number 2, freelancing. You probably have a skill that someone is willing to pay for. The problem is that you don't think it's valuable. Can you write? Can you edit videos? Can you design graphics? Can you build websites? Can you manage social media pages? Those skills are valuable. And businesses pay for valuable skills. The internet removed geographical boundaries. Your clients don't have to live in your city. They don't even have to live in your country. One client paying you 25,000 Nigerian nairas for a project means you're already a quarter of the way to your first 100,000 Nigerian nairas. Path number 3, AI services. If I were starting over in 2026, I would learn AI without hesitation because AI isn't replacing everyone. It's creating opportunities for people who know how to use it. Think about it. Businesses need AI-generated videos. They need AI-generated images. They need AI-powered marketing. They need voiceovers. They need automated content. You don't need to become a programmer. You don't need a computer science degree. You just need to learn one AI skill that solves a real problem. The people who learn AI today are positioning themselves for opportunities that didn't even exist a few years ago. Path number 4, digital products. Imagine creating something once and selling it repeatedly. That's the beauty of digital products. Templates, ebooks, study guides, digital art, educational resources. Create it once, sell it multiple times. That's why so many people love digital products. Your time isn't directly tied to your income. You're building something that can continue generating money long after you finish creating it. And that's a powerful advantage. Path number 5, affiliate marketing. This is probably one of the easiest business models to understand. Recommend a product. Someone buys it. You earn a commission. Simple, but don't make the mistake that most beginners make. Don't become a walking advertisement. People don't buy products because you post a link. People buy because they trust you. Trust creates sales, and sales create income. Build an audience. Provide value. Then recommend products that genuinely help people. Here's the truth. Your first 100,000 Nigerian Nairas online won't come from chasing every opportunity. It will come from focusing on one opportunity long enough to become good at it. Pick one path. Commit to it. Give yourself 30 days. And stop comparing your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 10. Because everyone you admire today was once a beginner. And remember this, your first 100,000 Nigerian Nairas isn't important because of the money. It's important because it proves that you can do it. And once you believe you can make 100,000 Nigerian Nairas online, you'll start thinking differently. You'll start aiming for 500,000 Nigerian Nairas, then 1 million Nigerian Nairas. And before you know it, you'll realize that the biggest obstacle wasn't a lack of opportunity. It was a lack of belief. So which path are you choosing? Content creation, freelancing, AI, digital products, or affiliate marketing? Let me know in the comments. And if you want a part 2, I'll share 5 more realistic ways to make money online in 2026.